Vande Mataram. India celebrates 15th August every year as its Independence Day. 15th August 1947 is the day embossed in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got freedom from its oppressors 200 years of British rule. Independence Day is a day when we remember and pay respect to the freedom fighters and the great men who struggled and sacrificed their lives for the beloved motherland, India. We celebrate Independence Day as the birthday of India and give tribute to the great men for their immense contribution to the freedom struggle of India. Independence Day is observed with great honor at all the government and private institutions, schools and colleges. The Indian national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, is sung before hoisting the national flag. Some historical buildings are specially decorated with lights depicting the independence theme. Special programs like planting trees, blood donation camping, distribution of clothes to the poor people, etc. are taken up. Sports and several cultural competitions are conducted and prizes are awarded to the winners. Sweets are distributed to all. The young mind is infused with patriotism and nationalistic feelings. Patriotic songs can be heard at every street corner. A wind of patriotism and national integration blows across the country on this day. Television channels and radio programs are charged up with patriotism. The channels telecast movies and documentaries based on patriotic themes in order to let the people and children know about various incidents of our freedom struggle and to inspire us to love our country. We are the future of our country and we should always be ready to sacrifice everything for the sake of our country. However, we must remember that the fragrance of free air that we are experiencing is not really free. It is the result of tireless efforts and countless sacrifices of our countrymen. This special day also reminds us that our forefathers have done their share of duty. And now it lies in our hands how we can shape and form the future of our country. The country now looks up to us that how we perform our parts. Thank you so much everyone. And once again, I wish everybody a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai.